The nature of the soul. The soul is the silent observer behind the eyes, the timeless presence that existed long before we were given a name, and that will continue long after our story here is complete. It is not bound by the body, nor confined to the mind. It is the still essence that watches, feels, and remembers, even when we forget ourselves. It is easy to mistake the soul for something distant, mysterious, or otherworldly. But the truth is, the soul is closer than our breath. Woven into the rhythm of our heartbeat, present in the quiet between thoughts, and found in the moments when time seems to stop. It is not something to seek, but something to remember. The soul is not a thing to be possessed. It is what we are. Beneath the layers of identity, beneath the ego's noise, the roles we play, and the masks we wear, the soul remains untouched. It is who we are at our most essential level, beyond culture, beyond circumstance. It is the eternal I that quietly witnesses every rise and fall in our lives without judgment. In many traditions, the soul is said to be a spark of the divine, a unique yet inseparable piece of the whole. Some describe it as light, others as vibration, energy, or even sacred fire. Whatever the language, the essence remains. The soul is infinite, and through it, we are connected to something greater than ourselves. The soul does not seek perfection. Its purpose is not to bypass pain, but to grow through it. It learns through contrast, joy and sorrow, expansion and contraction, love and loss. Each experience, no matter how small or significant, adds another layer to the soul's journey. It doesn't measure progress in achievements or titles, but in how deeply we have lived, loved, and learned. When we feel deeply connected to someone or something, a place, a cause, a creative expression, we often say it speaks to our soul. These are not just poetic words, they're clues. The soul recognizes truth through resonance. It knows not through logic, but through feeling. It nudges us through intuition, through the inner voice that whispers when the world grows loud. At times, life will stretch us so far that we feel broken, but the soul is never broken. It simply waits for the mind to quiet, for the heart to soften, for the spirit to remember. In these moments, something sacred happens. Not a new version of us, but a truer one emerges. To live from the soul is to live in alignment with truth. It doesn't mean life becomes easy, but it becomes real, grounded, sacred. We begin to move through the world not from fear or survival, but from presence and purpose. We start to recognize the soul in others too, in their laughter, their pain, their silence. And perhaps this is the great unfolding, not to become something more, but to return to who we've always been. To strip away what is false and stand, soul-bare, in our own light. The soul is not found in distant heavens. It is here, now in this breath, in this moment, in you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.